We bring our minds together as one. I should tell them what we're planning to do, actually?
Yeah, so we'll just run through the day a little bit. To my knowledge, we are going to be teaching you OpenShot first thing. So OpenShot is the free video editing software that we're going to put our Machinima clips into. Yeah, so once all four of us are here, everyone will have their specific section to handle. So we have 3 for the video and 1 for the sound as well. Now we'll just practice putting the audio into the timeline on the bottom of the window. So luckily we don't have any like mouth moving dialogue, but we do have heads moving up and down, so we want to make sure that when we have both the video and the audio in the timeline and we're editing it, we want it to be synced up. So like when Jerry the Duck says to Wasaki Chuck, "Hey Wasaki Chuck, what's in the bag?" His head is moving right when he says that.
So let's take the next hour to do a rough edit. Then we'll have a break and look at each other's. And once we say, like, we'll give each other advice, like, oh, trim here, make that louder, then we can start things like transitions and sound effects. And hopefully before lunch we have rough edit number 2, and we can export after.
Which you can import it anyway. Oh yeah, then he thinks.
Play it once before we render. Great, looks awesome.
It's beautiful, man.
Okay.
You like the one we have? Good. And yeah. So let's get rid of those 2.
I'm Anthony, I'm the Executive Director here at the MacKenzie Art Gallery, and we're thrilled to be hosting today the launch of a brand new film made by students and collaborators here in Regina, Saskatchewan.
We told a story, we talked about Indigenous storytelling, we talked about the importance of representing ourselves as Indigenous people in our own stories. We talked about the importance of us also using different media to tell our stories and not just using oral tradition, but also embracing new technologies.
Short amount of time, which is really an amazing accomplishment.
I just wanted to commend all the participants, especially because you got a taste of production schedules in digital media. That's what it's like. But it's always fun, and you feel really good when something's finished. So keep at it if it's your dream, especially if you want to do video games one day or media production or anything. You have a little taste. It's high stress, high reward. So, okay.
All right, one last hand.